Good day everyone and welcome back to Katek Tech YouTube channel. And for today's video tutorial for the month of September, wake me up when September ends. I'm gonna show you on how to fix Bluetooth on laptop using Driver Booster. You can use this procedure on any version of Windows. As you can see in Device Manager, there's a black down pointing arrow on Bluetooth device. In easy way explanation, there is a Bluetooth device, but it was disabled or not working due to some reasons. Let's go also in PC settings, devices, and try to add a device. After a long years of searching, no device have found. And now, let's the fun begin by running our Driver Booster. Click Scan. And it found out that one error detected, which is our Bluetooth. Just click Repair and wait to finish. When it's done, just click OK. Minimize the Driver Booster and wait to finish installing these devices. Alright, let's restart now our laptop. Let's check in Device Manager and we can see our problem in Bluetooth device was fixed. Let's go also to PC settings, devices, and we can see that our Bluetooth headset was installed. We can listen now in our Bluetooth headset. That's it, Pansit, for today, my fellow Katek Tech. I hope you learned something from our video today. Please subscribe, like, and share so that everybody will be happy. Let's meet again in our next video. This is Katek Tech saying, enjoy your life to the fullest, keep safe, and God bless. See ya!